Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you can't update your Mac to macOS Big Sur 11.1, so how you can fix it? So first thing you need to check, you need to unplug any external device that you connect to your MacBook and just restart your MacBook. So just tap on Apple logo, just tap on reset and just submit restart and just submit restarting your computer. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just turn off your Mac, just tap on Apple logo, just choose shutdown and just submit shutting down your computer. So now just wait until it will close all of your apps and just power off your computer. So after, you need to power on your computer, so just tap on power and just tap on command option P and R at one time. You need to tap on these buttons at one time. Command option P and R. So just tap them at one time, and before just tap on power and just keep pressing these buttons until you will hear a second sound of power on your MacBook. So when you will hear a second sound, just release your fingers from these buttons, and it means that you successfully reset PRAM on your MacBook, and after just try to install your Mac again. So I hope it will help. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.